Namaskar, I am Mr. Samir Karekar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, we use images for various purposes. Teachers use images as teaching aids, reference. Students of higher classes use images for their project work, while students of elementary classes use images for coloring. Photographers use for their photo editing purpose. So today I am going to show you how to download images from Google. At first, I turn off my webcam. We will start with Google Chrome. I open Google Chrome. Now, Google Chrome is open. You notice the option Images in the upper right corner. Look here, Images. So, I have to click on Images. I just click on Images. Google Images is open now. Now in the search box means here I have to mention the name of image which I want. So I type the name of image in the search box. I want image of camel. Camel. Then click on search lens. So here are so many images of camel available before me. Out of these images, I have to specify on the image which I require. My requirement is that I want image for my project purpose. So I have to filter all these available images. To filter the images, here is an option tools which I have highlighted. Look here. Now I click on the option tools. Now here are so many tools present before me. Look here, size, color, user rights, type and time. So we will go these tools one by one. First is size. I want the image to print on A4 size paper. So medium size image is sufficient for me. If anyone want to use the image for teaching aid or editing, photo editing, then larger size should be preferred. HD image will be better. So I click on medium. So all the medium size images are ready before me. Then next option is option of color. Here are three options: any color, black and white and transparent. I don't want transparent image, also black and white image. All the images which are on the screen are already colored. So I don't click on any option. I keep it as it is. Then I want image for educational purpose. So I uh, I will look. I will not look into the user rights. It doesn't matter. Um, but if anyone want to use the image for professional use, then user rights are important. Then he has to consider the usage rights. Then next is type. There are many types of images: clip art, line drawing, and GIF. Clip art image is useful for flashcards, um, then small size teaching aid. While line drawings are used, line drawing images are useful for coloring. GIF images are types of animated images, so these are not useful for printing on uh, paper, that is for project work. So I keep the option any type as it is. Then time is not important for me. All the images are already present, whatever may be the time they have uploaded. Then if I click on clear option, then all the filters which I have applied will be cleared. So I don't click on clear option. I keep it as it is. Now I observe all the images which are ready before me, and then choose the proper image. Now for my project work, I found the image as per my requirement, and this image is here. I show you, this is that image. So I have to download this image. To download the image, I just click on the image, and now it is open in the right side pane. It is in full size here. Its size is 800 by 606. So now I want to download the image. To download the image, just right click on the right side image. Now here is a drop down list present before me. I read all the options one by one and choose the options save image as. Look here, save image as, and just click on this option save image as. Now uh, image saving window is pop-up window is open. I have to name the file before saving it. I write the file name as camel1. By default, all the images which we download get saved in download folder of our PC. Look here, highlighted folder. Okay, so now we will save the image. Uh, I name the image camel1 and just click on the save button. Now in the left bottom corner we find the notification that my image is being saved. Look at this area, highlighted area. Here is notification. So I am sure that my image is got saved. Now I want to open the saved image. So I just double click the notification. Now my image which I have saved, downloaded, is present before me. Uh, I am now sure that my image is saved. So I just close the image window and also close the browser. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, then don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much.